Hello friends, welcome back to the Youth Corner of Unlock Science. This video is about the ongoing tussle between the government and the students regarding the examination of NEET and JEE, which is scheduled to be conducted in the month of September. Now why this hustle? This hustle is created because the government has already postponed this examination twice, and now they have confirmed that they are going to conduct this examination in the month of September when the rate of COVID-19 pandemic is at its highest in the country. Many of the politicians have joined this campaign. Students' Union are campaigning against the decision of the government on the social media because the students, by appearing in the examination, are not only exposing themselves to this COVID-19 virus, they are also threatening the life of their family members. Aggrieved by the order of the government to conduct this examination, the students, 11 students from across the country, had knocked the doors of the Honorable Supreme Court. The petition was lodged by 11 students. The main petitioner was Shayantan Biswas from Kolkata, and this petition was dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court on 17 August 2020. Appearing for the petitioners, Advocate Alok Shrivastava had brought into notice of the court about the recent developments of cancellation of the CBSE and the ICSE examinations in the wake of the rising pandemic in the country, due to which the petitioner advocate had pleaded that the examination should not be cancelled but it should be postponed further in the wake of the COVID pandemic. They also took the plea that the decision of the National Testing Agency to conduct the examination in the month of September itself is arbitrary and is violating the fundamental right of the students, that is Article 21, that is right to life. The petitioners, along with the plea of rising pandemic, also pleaded that the recent examinations like the B.Ed examinations of Uttar Pradesh, which was conducted, was not adhered to the SOP as derived by the government, as there were instances where social distancing was not observed, which exposes the students to higher risk of catching the virus. In response to this, Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned Solicitor General, pleaded that and asserted that the government will conduct the examination with proper precautionary measures by following the SOP. The Honorable Supreme Court observed that there is no justification in further postponement of the JEE and the NEET examination, though the pandemic is there, but the life must go on and they cannot simply put the life of the students on peril and they cannot waste the entire academic year. So the court has decided not to postpone the examination further and has directed the government to conduct the JEE and the NEET examination as scheduled in the month of September by following proper social distancing and following the SOP of the COVID-19. Now let us have a look of the recent examination which were conducted during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in India. We, the team of Unlock Science, through this video is appealing to the government of India to either make proper arrangements for the students, as conducting examination at such a high and huge scale where lakhs of students are appearing for this exam will certainly expose them, will certainly put them on high risk, and along with them we are also putting the family on risk. We are appealing the government to postpone this examination further till this situation gets better. Till then, I'll appeal and request all the students, all the subscribers and viewers to please stay safe and do not forget to like this video, do not forget to share this video, and do not forget to subscribe on our channel, and do not also forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.